When legal aid is required, what you need most is someone you can trust, as we find out in this next story.
Facing criminal charges can be an immensely challenging ordeal, both for you and your loved ones. Do you know where to turn to for help? What type of attorney you should hire? The choices can be overwhelming, and that's precisely when R&R Law Group steps in to assist.
Being able to have a good working relationship with your attorney is really one of the most important things that you can have in selecting the right attorney. You need to be confident that they're going to be able to get the job done for you. And that's really where we use that team approach. We've got multiple people that are looking after your case for you. Oftentimes, when you're found in the criminal justice system, it's a new experience for people. We've gone through years of training. We have years of experience in dealing with the courts, the judges, and the prosecutors. People think that they can go in and just talk to the prosecutor and be able to resolve their case, but you have to remember that the prosecutor's on the other side of the table. They're trying to get a conviction, and if you go in trying to represent yourself, oftentimes you can say things that you don't mean to say, or you can say things that you don't think would harm your case, but later could hurt you down the road. That's why we believe it's important to get an attorney as soon as you have a criminal allegation against you, or even an investigation. It's important to have an attorney from the get-go.
R&R Law Group takes pride in dissecting the swift pace of the criminal justice system to guarantee that you and your case are treated with equity and compassion.
Safety, clarity, and hope are our core values here at R&R Law Group. We need to provide a safe place. A client feels safe with their legal team so that they can open up about what's going on in their life and what's going on with their case. Once you have safety and you feel that trust with your legal team, well, then you're going to be able to listen to your legal team, and that's what provides the clarity for you. We're going to give you exactly what's going to happen in your case, provide you the steps that we're going to be taking to resolve your case, and then that's what lands you on hope. We want people to know and understand that there's hope for that future. Even though that they're in the criminal justice system right now, or that they've got a legal matter that's pending, that it's not the end-all be-all of their lives. We're very optimistic with all of our cases that we have. We believe that we're going to be able to reach the goals of our clients. We really are challenging the government to make them be able to prove their case, and that we're going to be able to get the job done. That's exactly why you need to hire an attorney, because there's a lot of things that go into the charging of the DUI. And a lot of people think, if I'm just charged with a DUI, well, I'm guilty of it, then I should just go in and plead guilty. But that's not the case. Our approach is the government has a very big job in order to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that they did their job correctly. As we're going through negotiations, we'll present different options to the prosecutor in order to try and resolve the case in the way that the client wants. Some want to avoid jail, some want to avoid felony conviction, some want to avoid a criminal conviction altogether. And sometimes trial is necessary, and that's how we can become even more successful, by showing our clients that we can win at trial, going to trial, and being successful.
Taking the time to plan and make necessary arrangements ensures that individuals receive the proper representation.
Whether you're facing an investigation, whether you're facing a charge or a case that's already been filed against you, the most important thing you want to do is hire or at least seek legal counsel. We offer free consultations, so at a minimum, it doesn't hurt to call in and get an idea of what you are facing. With DUIs, for example, there are timelines for when things with MVD need to be filed. There are hearings that need to be met. A lot of different aspects of a criminal case, even if it is just a misdemeanor offense. You'll be able to know what the next steps are once you've spoken with an attorney or somebody at the firm. When you sign on, whether it's an investigation or whether it's a full-blown case, you will have a team by your side from the very beginning. That team is always meeting. We have multiple attorneys at R&R Law Group. We have meetings in the office on a daily basis. We talk about cases in order to make sure that all of our resources and all of our knowledge is pooled together in order to work as the most efficient team for whatever your case may need. As long as you have a good team by your side from the very beginning, you're set up for the best possible resolution that your case can obtain.
For the best possible outcome in your case, R&R Law Group is here to help you.
If at the end of the case you resolved your case with a plea or a guilty verdict happened at trial, and you'll have certain terms that you have to complete. Those terms can be classes, installing an ignition interlock device. We can help with those things. We have partners that we use in order to assist with the ease of completing those terms. The first time somebody finds themselves either charged criminally or in the criminal justice system, or even being investigated by a police agency, we're going to help you navigate the different nuances that can happen. Knowing the complexities is important, and having the right guide by your side is one of the most important things you can do for yourself.
To learn more about R&R Law Group, visit the website at rrlawaz.com or see the segment again on thebalancingAct.com.